A single beaver family can completely transform an entire landscape in just one season. First, their teeth never stop growing and are reinforced with iron, making them orange and strong enough to chew through trees twice their body weight. Second, they can hold their breath underwater for up to 15 minutes while working on their dams. Third, a beaver dam can be over half a mile long, that's longer than 5 football fields. Fourth, they have transparent eyelids that work like goggles, allowing them to see clearly underwater. Fifth, beaver families stay together for 2 years, with parents teaching their young essential engineering skills. Sixth, their dams create wetland ecosystems that support over 85% of North American wildlife species. And finally, beavers communicate through scent marking and tail slapping. Their tails can be heard from over half a mile away. These incredible creatures don't just build dams, they build entire ecosystems. Make sure to subscribe for more.